Today we're talking about this little gadget right here and why I'm so impressed by it. This is a DCC current sensor, currently in beta testing from a new company called Snowball Creek Electronics. Like many model railroad product companies, it is a small company. This is its first product. The owner worked in corporate America for a long time before retiring from it, and this is his passion. Now, before we get deep into this, it is currently in beta testing and I do not have a price for it. So let's take a look and see what makes this so special. The current sensor is DCC only as of right now and is actually two sensors. This means that you can connect two different sections of track and send signals out for each. It has two outputs per sensor. This means it would be ideal for double track crossings as well as reducing the amount of wiring and circuitry needed for block detection. The really cool thing is, unlike a lot of commercially available sensors, this is a digital current sensor that uses a CPU. What does this mean? It means it can calibrate itself. When powered on, the sensors automatically detect the resting voltage of the track, and if it's incorrect at first, it has a little button that you can hit it and it resets and recalibrates the resting voltage detection. This sensor is also incredibly sensitive. When testing it on my test track, I was able to detect a connection made with a 51K resistor. This means that those 39K N-scale resistors will be picked up. Now, some of you may be new and not know what I'm saying right here. Current sensors are used in DCC for detecting if a train is on a section of track and are used for things such as signaling and crossings. You do this by wrapping one of the feeder wires around the coil on its way from the power pack or DCC base station all the way up to the track. This sensor only actually needs a single loop around the coil where others may need 3 or 4 loops. A locomotive completes the circuit on the track and increases the current draw, which is picked up by the sensor. You can also accomplish this with resistor wheel sets for your rolling stock in case you don't have a locomotive on there, but you still want to show that it's occupied. Normally, metal wheel sets, which is what you need to use for this, have an insulated section of plastic that keeps them from short-circuiting the track. Resistor wheel sets complete the circuit by connecting the two wheels using a resistor. This keeps the layout from short-circuiting, but draws enough current to be detected by the current sensor. Now, when I'm doing this, I typically use 10K resistors. It's pretty easy to find resistor wheel sets in HO scale, but a lot of times you have to custom make the wheel sets in N scale. Now, I've got a whole video on doing that actually, and I'm going to link that at the end. Personally, I love this product, and I really hope that Snowball Creek is able to get these out there and into the hands of model railroaders. The vast majority of model railroad companies are small, and many of them are mom and pop shops. So anytime you see a product from a company that seems small, check it out. It is one thing that truly makes our hobby great, and I will always let you know and try to test out products from small companies when I can. So if you are a model railroad small company, reach out. I do want to address something really quick regarding product testing. A while ago, I asked on my community tab about doing product reviews, and you guys responded that you really liked the idea. But some of you did have some legitimate concerns. I want to talk about some of those concerns. The biggest issue was that you guys were worried that this would just become another product review channel and all the other projects that I do would just go out the window. Well, I can assure you that that's not going to happen. I have plenty of content planned, and only a small part of that is looking at products. When I do take a look at a product, it may not be a brand new product. It may be one that I have found on sale and I want to tell you is on sale. It may be one thing that I just think is cool. One thing I will guarantee you is that I will do more than just show you the product. I will show you why I like it and how to get it set up and going on your layout. Last week is a great example of this, and I'll link that video at the end. I have plenty of projects coming up though, so don't worry. There is a lot of fun stuff coming and not just more looking at products. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.